Watch video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Nails. Thank you. 1. In SI unit, what does it represent? ETEA 2008180 med. A. The number of molecules in the gas. B. Avogadro's number. C. The number of kilomoles. D. The number of molecules per unit volume. 2. The volume occupied by 3.2 grams of oxygen at STP is ETEA 2012-131 med. A. 22.4 cubic decimeters. B. 2.4 cubic decimeters. C. 11.2 cubic decimeters. D. 16.0 cubic decimeters. 3. The internal energy of fixed cases of an ideal gas depends on ETEA 2013116 med. A. Pressure, but not volume or temperature. B. Temperature, but not pressure or volume. C. Volume, but not pressure or temperature. D. Pressure and temperature, but not volume. 4. Which of the following most closely resembles an ideal gas? ETEA 2011159 med. A. Z. B. H. C. He. D. HBr. 5. Real gases deviate more from ideal behavior at ETEA 2009-98 med. A. Low pressure only. B. High pressure only. C. Low temperature only. D. Low pressure and high temperature. Answer are present at the end of video. Watch video till end. 6. Which of the following does not resemble ideal behavior at room temperature and pressure? 2005-133 med. A. Methane. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Sulfur dioxide. 7. Equal volume of different gases under same condition of temperature and pressure contain same number of particles. The above statement is of ETEA 2014-80 med. A. Avogadro's law. B. Graham's law. C. Dalton's law. D. Hund's rule. 8. The van der Waals equation of state for non-ideal gases differs from the ideal gas law in that it accounts for ETEA 2014-131 med. I. The mass of each molecule of the gas. 2. The volume occupied by molecules of the gas. 3. The attractive forces between molecules of the gas. A. I, 2, and 3. B. I and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 2 only. 9. Equal volume of CO and N are taken in identical conditions. The correct relation between masses of two gases is ETEA 2015-08 Eng. A. Co equals N. B. Co greater than N. C. Co less than N. D. N equals CO. 10. A flask contains 6 gram of hydrogen gas and 64 gram oxygen at R. T. P. The partial pressure of hydrogen in the flask of the total pressure P will be ETEA 2016178. A. 6/7 P. B. 3/5 P. C. 2/5 P. D. 1/3 P. 11. A gas diffuses 1/2 times as fast as hydrogen gas. Its molecular mass is ETEA 2016187 Eng. A. 32 AMU. B. 25 AMU. C. 8 AMU. D. 16 AMU. 12. At absolute zero the molecules of hydrogen gas will have A. Only translational motion. B. Only vibrational motion. C. Only rotational motion. D. All the motion are ceased. 13. If P is a pressure and dis is density then P delta has units of ETEA 2016169 meds. A. N per square meter. B. N per meter. C. Kilogram per square meter. D. Square meter per kilogram. 14. At absolute zero the molecules of hydrogen gas will have ETEA 2016-19 med. A. Only translational motion. B. Only vibrational motion. C. Only rotational motion. D. All the motion are ceased. 15. Half atmospheric pressure is NUMS 2020. A. 400 torr. B. 506.22 pascals. C. 1.5 atmospheres. D. 8.5 pounds. 16. The value of STP for 1 mole of any ideal gas is NUMS 2020. A. 273 K in 1 atmosphere. B. 276.6 mm Hg. C. 273.16 degrees Celsius in 1 atmosphere. D. 273.16 degrees K in 1 atmosphere. 17. The expression PV equals nRT represents the NUMS. A. Dalton's law. B. Avogadro's law. C. General gas equation. D. Van der Waals equation. 18. Pressure remaining constant, at which temperature volume of gas will become twice the volume at 0 degrees Celsius. Nums 2020. A 273 degrees Celsius. B 546 degrees Celsius. C 520 degrees Celsius. D 360 degrees Celsius. 19. A graph between volume and temperature gives a straight line which cuts the temperature axis at Nums 2020. A 0 degrees Celsius. B 273 degrees Celsius. C 546 degrees Celsius. D minus 273 degrees Celsius. 20. What is not true for a fusion of gases? Nums 2020. A. Movement of particles through small opening. B. Movement of particles from high pressure to low pressure. C. Movement of particles due to escaping tendency one by one. D. Movement of particles due to collision among themselves. Answers. 1. D. 2. C. 3. B. 4. B. 5. D. 6. D. 7. A. 8. C. 9. B. 10. D. 11. A. 12. D. 13. D. 14. D. 15. A. 16. A. 17. C. 18. B. 19. D. 20. D.